You're watching Foxtecc, and in this video, I'll explain what no caller ID means on an iPhone. Let's get right into it. When you see no caller ID on your iPhone, it means that the person calling you has chosen to hide their phone number. Instead of displaying the actual number, your phone simply shows that there's no caller ID available. This can happen when the caller uses a specific setting or a network code to keep their identity private. These kinds of calls don't show any traceable number in your regular call history. That means you won't be able to see who called you, and calling them back isn't possible unless they decide to reveal their number next time. While it's a privacy feature for the caller, it can be frustrating for the person receiving the call, especially if it's frequent or disruptive. Fortunately, there are ways to manage it. On your iPhone, you can use built-in settings or focus modes to silence calls from unknown or hidden numbers. Some mobile carriers and third-party apps also offer features that can either reveal or automatically block calls from hidden numbers. These tools give you more control over who gets through to your phone and when. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more iPhone tips. See you later.